Well then, guys.
This feels very weird, by the way, saying all the spoilers.
Guys, which is crazy.
And then at the end of the show, you realise she's...
Oh, is this the kind of spoilers that you want?
Girl, you better be watching Ahikāroa MΑORI Plus.
I am your man. Takeaway, please.
These are easy. Who's the biggest pest?
Are you sure about that?
Oh, nah. Who's the worst?
I don't really want to answer that.
Who would you never want to hang out with?
That's an insane question.
Oh, way.
What do you reckon? Smash or pass?
Thank you.
Watch Ahikāroa
Look out to MAORI and...
MAORI Plus.